supervisor Zahana binti Yusof. And our teammates start from the left side, Amin Nazri, Syaira Asria and Izzat Faris. Introduce our company, Secourra Spa, and located in Segamat, Johor. And their founder is Tengku Dahlia binti Tengku Aziz and Farah Farhana binti Razimi, and they start on 2017.
First of all, we start from their strength. Only women can get spa service, and their awareness is less venue promotion and less advertising. And their opportunities is open more spa building in state area. Lastly, of course, their trade is the company has to compete with spa companies that are in the area. Moreover, this is the progress statement of the company. The rational logo is not fulfill current trending, and their advertising only focuses on the service only and has no advertising regarding their product. And lastly, their product do not have any packaging and are not safe.
Now, I will explain about corporate identity. The first thing is logo tag. This logo combination between propaganda leaf, woman face and share with the breakdown typography, we develop it for our logo, which is emblem logo tag. Propaganda leaf and woman face are the main focus in the logo to show the service and identity of this company. Next, Secourra Spa corporate color is green, brown and gold. Okay, next, this is our signature guideline. Next, there are various types of corporate items.
For the advertising part, the concept that I applied in the design is luxury gold nature. The main color in the design are dark blue and gold. For the advertising design, I use the specific lighting technique on the specific area of the product image. I use gold color to make the poster and product to look luxury and premium. The design made for advertising is to focus on the product company. With this advertising concept, it can increase product sales and rise the company name. For the next session is the packaging. Relax and I hope you enjoy our video.
So next, we will go through with our packaging design. Our first packaging is combo packaging. For the outer layer, we will seal the product to make it more secure. Next is our special edition packaging. For the right and left side, we put on a magnet inside the layer to secure the product. However, we still use rope to make it easier for the customer to follow. Next is our series packaging. We put a rope on the left side of the inner box. Next, our last packaging is scissor packaging. We use plastic inside the box to secure the product.